Your Honor, I'm confused. I don't understand the true nature and cause of the charges. So I don't I can't really consent to being sentenced when I'm still trying to. I don't understand. It's not a delay tactic. It's not attempting to be disruptive. It's not intended to stop the proceedings. It's my honest opinion. I have trouble with comprehension. I can't say with 1,000,000% certainty that everything, as far as in regards to me, everything should be looked at in its totality. The mental health issues, I believe that you've seen you've seen them rear their head at times. I believe that I know that you've seen that rear its head at times. I also believe that you recognize the need for the help that's needed. You've you've seen things as far back as my childhood, and I believe that you understand the certain needs that would benefit where to start. Me myself, I don't know. There's so many issues that I've been trying to address for a long time, a very long time, and I don't know where to start. I have no idea. I can tell you that I want to be able to get to a point in my life where I can have the ability to recognize before before it happens, when something could become out of control, before an outside source can maybe pinpoint it and say maybe something's wrong. I would want to get to a point where I can be able to recognize the signs on my own. I want to get to a point where I don't have a mind is jumping back and forth and all over the place, and these moves, they go from here to here to here to here to here to here to here, and then it's like, oh, I'm cool, and then it's here to here to here to here. I want to get to a place where I can combat that. It's this, Your Honor, this has not been easy, and not just this, but life in general. It has not been easy. It's not easy to wake up every day and try to figure out how to stay grounded, or how to stay in a I don't want to say a box, but to be able to stay in a straight line, to be able to take life as it comes, to not only be able to cope with things. Things are gonna happen, problems happen. Life itself isn't easy. I want to get to a point, Your Honor, where I can be able to say, okay, it's okay. It's okay. I can be myself. I can say, you know what? You aren't the only person going through this. This doesn't make you any less than anybody else. I wasn't asked to be born this way, Your Honor. I wasn't. I was not. I don't understand it. But the fact of the matter is I want to get to a point of happiness again. To be able to be medicated and not care what people think. To be able to speak my truth without having to feel ashamed that some people may think of me lesser than a person because I have to be medicated for life, or because they feel like it's not normal. Which lends to the reason why I said not wanting to live to please anyone else anymore, but for me to be okay. Here, for me to be okay. Because I haven't been for a long time. I'm tired. I'm tired, Your Honor. I'm tired. Some days I don't know what's up or down. Some days I don't know. I want to know.
Mr. Brooks, it's going on 2 hours. I feel like we're starting to cover the same ground over and over. So I'm going to ask you again, because I'm really interested in your perspective. I want to know, as I consider and contemplate and finalize what to do in this case, if there are any sentencing recommendations you have on your own behalf to make at this time.
I just want to be helped. I don't want to live with inside this pain anymore. I know that's probably not the answer you're looking for,